I really like working with my hands and kind of just going about my own day like how I want to. I just kind of grew up around working hands-on. I grew up on a farm. My dad always showed me how to weld when I was young, so I just knew I wanted to pursue that, especially my freshman year when I had a welding class at my home school. I kind of just want to go right into the workforce when I get out of school, and this would really set me up good for when I just want to get out of high school and work. Definitely my instructors have been some of my favorite things about the program. They really help just push you to what you can achieve, and just like the freedom that we have throughout it. Like we can just go about our own day how we want to, get our own stuff done, and not have to, I guess, have somebody looking over our shoulder the whole time. So actually I was in a competition called Mites, and it's like a sculpture kind of competition. So me and another girl in my class, we built like a pond scene, and it had a couple cattails, grass, and lily pads, and frogs and everything, and it was really cool. We got first in the region and second in the state.
Yeah, our lab is pretty sweet. We have basically anything you could imagine. I've been to a lot of different labs from just being able to go to different competitions and stuff like that, and our lab's top tier. We have the best tables that you could have, the best exhaust systems, and everything just sets you up to perform the best way you can, and it's really all what you want to do and how you want to do it.
Being a girl in like a male-dominated field is definitely interesting. You definitely have to kind of be confident and assertive, so I guess you definitely gain a lot more confidence and kind of assertiveness when you're in there. I'd want any 10th graders looking into it to know that if you enjoy kind of just working with your hands and doing what you want to do that day, then it's a really good program for you. And if you want to be treated like adults, they really try to accomplish that and treat you like you're there to work and you're there to get what you want out of it.